Do you have any tips on improving your voice? As many people have said to me that I have a monotonous tone. Okay, all right, a couple things. Couple things. You're perfect the way you are. And one of my favorite songs is by India Re, and it's called Video. You know, God made you perfect the way you are. I wouldn't change a damn thing. Okay. Now, when you're presenting in general, what I recommend doing is only present and only do a business meeting when you're in a peak state of mind. And you can get there immediately by just thinking about what point in your life are you happiest. And so for me, there's many instances, but one thing that always gets me into a peak mental state, so to speak, right before a presentation is I think about September 2015. My three sons, we were watching on television the Blue Jays game and a baseball game. And Jose Batista hit a home run to basically win the game. And he flipped the bat, and my kids went crazy. They jumped all over me. I was so happy, right? And so that gets me into a less monotonous mode as well. And people complained about me actually over the past few months that I was sounding somewhat tired and monotonous when I was sitting down. So I basically I move around because motion creates emotion. Okay, motion creates emotion. So you can get out of that rut too. Like when I used to interview, what I used to do was I would record myself. Okay, back in the '90s, I would record myself answering at least 100 questions. And when I answered the questions, I listened to my tone as well. Did I sound too monotonous, or did I sound too arrogant with the inflection in my voice? Okay, so you can beat this. You can practice and just listen to yourself. And delivery is key because, as Maya Angelou said, people might not remember what you said, but they'll never forget the way you made them feel. Practice makes perfect. Just record yourself answering questions. Practice. You can do it. But I think you're perfect the way you are.